got myself together. Today is going to be a good day. The Bali offering? How do you say that in Bali?
We say Canang.
Canang.
Canang, yeah. Who make a protection offering to the god.
And people put them out every day?
Yes, every day, 2 times.
2 times a day?
Yeah, morning and the evening.
Look out for change. Let's see if I actually get on the swing. This is gorgeous. So the entrance fee to get in here was $50,000, and that gets you access to pretty much the whole area, and then you can take pictures in certain places that they have set up. And then if you want to do the swing or the zip line or some of the other activities that they have out here, you pay an additional cost for that. So I think the swing is like $200. Being able to ride the bike across the zip lines is like somewhere around the same, $150 or $200, something like that. So $50 is the entrance fee, and then you pay an additional to do the activities. And then if you want to get a dress, you pay $150 for that as well. But I brought my own dress, so yeah, that was free. That's the swing. Everyone's trying to convince me to get on it. I think if they can do it, I can do it.
Yeah, they do it. They all. And you.
Oh gosh, they're really trying to convince me to get on this. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Look at me.
Wow!
Hands up.
Put your hand. Let go.
Yeah, good.
I did it, y'all. Conquered some fears today. It wasn't too bad, but like my heart was pumping the whole time. I do not like heights, but for those who are curious about it, it is nice and slow. Or if you tell them slow, it's slow, but they still push you. So it's like, woo. But I would recommend. Would I do it again? I don't like heights, but it really isn't. It's not too terrible. Now getting the chance to explore. There's a lot of ground to cover here. Oh, look at the bananas. Yudi told me it is white rice season. There are 4 rice seasons here. White, brown, black, and sticky. Out here. Hey, baby. Some people like the height. Not all of these trails are paved and pretty. I just had to get through that. Ooh. But the journey continues. I'm trying to see what's over here. Oh, goodness. That was tough. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm the only one out here struggling to walk. But it's not easy. It's not easy. The steps weren't even easy because they're so steep. It's supposed to be steep too. But yeah, everything's not paved. This is gorgeous. There's another swing on this side too. You guys love the yellow on them things. I don't know why. Following this path, where it goes. I truly have no idea. I hope I don't have to walk it all the way back. Obstacle. When there's a will, I found an alternative way to get up here. You gotta go up to get across. But I'm getting across because I want a picture. Now, I seriously cannot get over how gorgeous this is. I made it to the other side. Look at that dog. He'll be all over this place. For a second, I turned around and I thought this was a massive spider. But you know what? I can appreciate nature in its own element. It's just when it enters my room, in my space, that is problematic. I don't know what this is, but it looks so funky. There's another side with different photo booths and activities. And koi fish. They're so pretty. It's a red dragonfly. I've never seen anything like that. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. This is, but it looks like it's still waiting to bloom. Look at it. Made it to the top. Her dress looks pretty. We got out here around 10 o'clock and it was definitely the right time because it is so much more packed now and the parking lot is full, so there's just more and more people coming. FYI, if anyone's coming out here, you get out here at 10 or earlier. Right, stop number 2, going to try coffee and tea.
Yeah.
And what's the name of the last one?
The cat shit.
The cat shit.
Yeah, this is the coffee plant, guys. Okay, this is the coffee plant, and so this is the coffee beans when they were in the plant. So guys, if you see like the green color like this one is still growing. But when the color is turned into the red, that's ready to harvest or to pick it. The vanilla also is kind of orchid family. And also later on for the vanilla that we blend with coffee. And so in this place we have vanilla coffee for you. And so the animals look like that. And so the animals in Bali, in Bali that's we call it Luwak. Yeah, and so for the Luwak also is kind of nocturnal animals. Yeah, they are active in the night time. Yeah. And so like during the day, they are sleeping. And also for the Luwak they eat the coffee berry. Okay, and so beside they eat the coffee berries, they eat also like other fruits. Okay, it's like banana, papaya, mango. And so like all of the food stay in their digestive system, yeah, at least for 12 hours.
Yeah. Oh.
And also after 12 hours, and then they drop the poop. Okay? That's poop we collected. They force the local peoples to grow like coffee. Okay? But like the local people, they can't harvest it. They can't try it. Okay? Because in that time, the coffee is really expensive. And so like some of the local people, they go to the forest to collect the firewood, and then they found the animals that eat the coffee berries. Because they are curious about how's the taste of the coffee beans, they just collect the poop.
Wow.
But when they process it, till they try it, the taste is much better than the regular coffee came from the trees.
Really?
Yeah. And also like the coffee Luwak also is famous in 20th centuries.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. And also like how is the process of making coffee Luwak? Yeah, this is the poop from the animals. But like this one has been dried, okay? And also after we dried like this, and then we have to wash them by using hot water. Okay, and so after we wash it, have to remove the shell. It's like this one to get the real beans. Okay, yeah, because like the coffee beans like this, they have like a shell. That's mean the poop, it doesn't touch the real beans. Okay, and then it's like these beans that we have to wash again, and then we have to roast it like over there. Yeah, in here we still trade like traditional way, no machine. So we use like firewood to control the temperature. And also after 45 minutes there, like the beans also turn into dark brown.
Easier to get more powder.
Sorry, it is smelly.
だからパウダーね。このパウダーね、バリでお湯入れるだけ。
To get the powder.
お湯入れるだけで酢かけて。
In addition to the coffee tastings, they also have swings that you can do here too. And renting the dressing. The swings like a lot higher than that. To sample all the coffees and teas. Wow. Spice tea. Ooh. Ginger tea is very ginger. It's good though, but it's strong. So all these teas are really good. I think my favorite is mangosteen, lemongrass. Actually, I like them all. I like them all. I don't know if I have a favorite. The ginger tea is just really strong. So I think that would be my second favorite to all the other ones. Coffees. I think my favorites out of these are the vanilla, and the coconut.
How about the avocado?
The avocado is good. It's just not my favorite. But it tastes better than I thought it was going to taste.
Yes.
Yeah, it tastes like avocado, but it's still tasty. I would have never put the two together, like avocado and sweet. Coconut. Yeah, I think that was my favorite. Coconuts are my favorite. But they're all really good. So the coffee and tea samplings were free. They were actually complimentary, which was really nice. But then they have the store where you can buy any of the coffees and teas that you try. The lemongrass and some coconut oil. And there's the waterfall over there. And there's the bridge that you can walk across. And there's also another swing all the way at the end. There's this pool. Once you get in the water, you just can't get directly under the waterfall. I'm definitely getting in. It already feels cool and refreshing just from standing close to it. Their signs are so hilarious. Don't worry, be happy, but don't naked. That was so refreshing and much needed. Oh my goodness, that water feels so good. It's not even freezing cold like I thought it would be. It's nice. It's so nice. And it's not very deep at all. You can see the little buoys or whatever, the lines blocking from the waterfall, and people standing, like this guy's walking. You can stand all the way up. It's not deep at all. It's really shallow. Don't worry, be sexy, not happy, but not naked. That's funny. They have so many different signs. This guy just came up to me and told me congratulations on being the cutest girl at the waterfall. That's such like the sweetest and funniest compliment I think I've ever gotten. Anywho, your girl has changed. And now I'm going to find my guide, UD. He's so chill. He basically like walks me in and he's like, hey, do what you gotta do. I'll be here waiting. So I'm gonna go find him. And next we're headed to the monkey forest. Quick pit stop for a refill. Got some mango juice and some potato samosas. Alright, let's go see these monkeys. Wow. Hello. How are you? Okay, I'm just gonna walk in together. Oh. I literally pulled out my phone to record and he hopped down here. You like the camera? Yeah? Are you gonna be my tour guide today? I wasn't ready. Oh my gosh, literally just walked in and monkeys start flying at you. All right, this will be interesting. Such a unique statue. Doesn't creepy at all. Taking care of each other. Oh no, don't get jealous now. Too much care. Too much care. This monkey is simply rubbing my spirit animal. I see you. They're so chill. I don't know. I wasn't expecting them to be aggressive, but I thought they were going to be like touchy. These monkeys minding their business. They seem well fed and well taken care of and just occupied with themselves more so than humans. So that's cool. No touching, no direct eye contact, don't have no food. No smoking, no vaping, no tipping, no contact. Easy enough. Oh, his belly is marked. They numbered you. Oh. Use your hand and your foot. That's how you know it's good. So I spoke a little too soon about these monkeys being chill. I just had one get buck at me. Like, I don't know what that was about. I was walking and he just starts like growling aggressively at me. And he gets close and I can feel him. I don't know if he did it with his hands or with his teeth, but he touched my pant leg and he's just like growling. And so the other monkeys run up to him kind of like to protect me. So that's good. But yeah, he was still back there growling when I walked away. So I told this lady like, help, get this crazy monkey. And he eventually like fell back and left me alone. But there's always one bad apple. Always one. Look at the babies. They're so cute. Don't leave. Don't leave. See two monkeys in a tree. And kissing out their fire. It's so peaceful out here. It is after 5, and so 5 o'clock is the cutoff time. No one can enter after 5, but they close at 6. So this seems to be the golden hour because there's not a lot of people, and you can really just like hear the nature and watch the monkeys. It's nice. Aggressive monkeys alert. I think he just tried to conquer her. She was not having it. Oh. Trying to conquer. I'm trying to conquer. Little kids like, no, you can't have my mama. All jokes aside, I did actually see a monkey get conquered out here. It looked consensual, but she looked underage. Nature is wild. Nature is wild. It was the I couldn't record it because I was in a state of shock, but she allowed it to happen, and then the conqueror monkey kissed her on the head and then on the butt afterward. That's how I knew. I was like, oh, it just went down. That just happened. It was funny. Wild. I want to cross, but I also don't want no beef. First, you don't succeed. Oh. Oh. So this is the sanctuary. The monkeys in here are blind or injured or disabled in some way. So 2 of them are blind from snake venom. One of them lost an arm. Another one is blind, it doesn't say why. But they keep them here away from the rest of the other monkeys because obviously they need special care. So cute. Seem to be winding down. Probably close to their nap or bedtime. Keep them watch. Bye, monkey. Watching all these monkeys eat has made me hungry, so it's time to find some food. Such a unique space. It's a vibe. Good morning. Last breakfast in Bali. This amazing view. I want to be in the beach. Realities soon come, soon come. Where the offerings are really for. Beach time. Work is done and now I can play. I told myself if I got a certain amount of work done, I could be at the beach or go play on the beach. So here I am. How clear this water is. Oh wow. The waterfall's really good too. I just can't get over how clear this water is. Look out, see everything. Veggie pizza for dinner. And watermelon drink. The vibes here have been so good. I've been here all day.
Hey, good mark.
This is such a good work from beach day. I'm actually kind of sad now that this is my last day. But it's good. I get to leave on a high note. I definitely have enjoyed the last couple of days. I'm really glad that I was able to turn my attitude around, get an attitude of gratitude for where I am, because I really am grateful to be here. I have loved this experience, good, bad, and ugly, all the bugs included, or maybe without the bugs, but at the end of the day, it's been a really good trip in Bali. I would definitely recommend for anyone to come out here, especially if you're looking for a good solo trip destination or even a co-working destination. This is it.